I want to show you how I am utilizing things that I already have on hand to make cost-effective sample kits. I'm calling them wax emergency kits. So I thought this would be a fun way to just utilize supplies that I already have, that way I can keep my costs down, because it's very important to me to work my business with a very low overhead so that I have more profit for my family. So if you're like me and you're a seasoned consultant, you probably have a ton of these laying around. These make perfect samples. They're already made for you. So I use Avery label 8293, and they're just round printable labels. I go right on avery.com and you can design them for free. I think I may have designed these on Canva just because there's more customization options on Canva, and then you can save the design and upload it into Avery and then print these at home. And then I just put the stickers on my samples, or on my testers, and they just say on there, enjoy your free scentsy wax sample, sniff me or hate me, pop me out or put me upside down in your warmer. And then I have my website, makeitfragrant.com. This is my other favorite thing that I utilize. So in the warm months in Iowa, I can't really mail wax samples easily, so I rely heavily on scented stickers all throughout the year. But these are mainly what I do, especially in warm months. But so I go through a lot of the scented stickers, but I save the plastic bag that they come in. So it's like a resealable plastic thing. So I save these. I'm constantly like stockpiling these throughout the year. And then that's what I use to put the testers in. So right now I'm putting 6 to a bag, but you could obviously customize it and make it whatever size that you want. You could easily do it half the size of this. And then I created this in Canva, and then it's a postcard size graphic, and then I made 4 copies of it. I do have the template available too if you want to edit it to add your own personalized information. But on it says, all out of scentsy wax, open up these sample containers, pop out the wax or put upside down and melt out into your warmer. Some scents may be available for reorder. Some may be retired. Step 2, contact us to replenish your scent stash. And then I just have my information in the bottom and then a QR code there. So I don't know, I thought this was a fun way to utilize things that I already have on hand so that I'm not spending a ton of money. But then hopefully these will, well, and then you also, the other important thing is you want to follow up with the people that you're giving these out to. So don't send out mindless samples and then just hope for the best, or blind samples. You want to make sure that you're tracking who is getting the samples so that you can follow up with them and ask what they thought and how they liked it. So I hope this was helpful.